Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, AI Mars. I'm super excited to share with you 3 powerful AI tools that are completely free and can create unlimited cartoon images for your videos and content. The last tool is amazing, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Tool 1. Leonardo AI. The first tool is Leonardo AI. Just copy your prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. After a short wait, you'll get an amazing, high-quality cartoon image. It's that easy. Tool 2. Canva Dream Lab. Next up is Canva Dream Lab. Click on Dream Lab, paste your prompt, and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll see a colorful, vibrant cartoon image pop up. Super cool and beginner-friendly. Tool 3. Meta AI. And now, the final and most amazing tool, Meta AI. Just type or paste your prompt, click Generate, and wait a few moments. Boom! Your stunning cartoon image is ready. It's fast, simple, and the quality is mind-blowing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Mars. Your support helps me keep creating more helpful content and move closer to monetizing this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.